Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can log in or sign in into TD Ameritrade account. In order to log in or sign in into your TD Ameritrade account, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up a web browser, on the web address bar type in www.invest.ameritrade.com/login. So this is an official website of TD Ameritrade. After that, you'll be taken to its official page. So then to log in into your account, first thing first, make sure that you've already registered. Only then you'll be able to log in. So to log in into your account, click on the login button right in center or in the left hand side, and after that you'll be taken to the login page where you'll be asked to provide in your user ID or an email address and then a password. After you're done entering your information, you will also need to select the start page. So just tap on this arrow icon and then you'll be able to find multiple options and select it accordingly. After you're done entering your information, click on the login button, and if you've provided a valid information, you'll be logged into your account. For some reason, if you're unable to log in, or for some reason if you feel that your account has been hacked or misused, you can change your password just by tapping on forgot password. After that, you'll be instructed on how you can recover or change your password. Go through the instruction and then you can recover your account. In this way, you can log in into your TD Ameritrade account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.